Again.
I tried to shoot beside you. And it was just clicking. So if we weren't
Push the roads, Robbie! What the fuck?
Fuck me, man.
Sorry about that, pal.
You're dead.
He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
Stop here and shoot him. Stop here and shoot him.
No. You need to stop being so bloodthirsty, mate, before you get yourself banned by a big admin. This guy.
You shot at me. I've been able to fire my gun once.
Right, well, guess what? You need to be...
To kill a man is survival.
Alright.
Right. What you see, big
Who
man?
is this fucking guy? So many things that I wanna say. You know I like that just a little bit older.
I just wanna use
your love. Yeah.
Josie's on a vacation far away. Oh.
Hello, Josie. What? Leave your door wide open, why don't you?
Ooh, where's the look now? Shut my door,
If
because
we
I'm
tell him
waiting.
to fucking close his door, he hits something.
Exactly, Lewis.
He can't.
I can't have one eye looking at the door, which I've got one eye on the fucking road at the same exact time. I'm not cook-eyed or cock-eyed or whatever.
Fucking backwards bandits joined in instantly. Some cunt left, man. He must know them.
Right.
Fuck, look, they're all leaving. They're all getting to fuck for the backwoods bandits. Who are these cunts? We better watch taking the backwoods in. These cunts are going to have a run in with the ballerinas soon enough, boys. We're not notorious enough yet, you know what I mean? Nobody really knows who we are apart from two random English guys that we met. I think we should shake it up a bit and go and kidnap somebody. Find some cunts that are just starting out, want to start a wee gang themselves. We fucking wipe them out, man. Take them in the woods, torture them, let one go, and then they'll know the ballerinas have a reputation, man.
That cunt's going the same direction.
Let's kidnap them. The ballerinas! Oh,
Shut up.
faster!
Sorry about that.
We're the ballerinas.
We're the ballerinas!
Shut up, man. What does he even talk?
Guy probably shouts it.
No wonder he looks behind him and he just hears faster, big fucking truck behind him. Just like.
Don't see him, do any cars?
There's a truck there.
Nothing. Oh my. Right, that's alright. You drive down, right, and I'll walk up behind you. So if somebody does tell you to still get down on it, I'll still behind them, right, if you know what I mean.
Wait for Lewis to come back, since that way we have two guns. Right, Lewis, get your gun out, there's cunts down there.
Is there fucking villains down here?
Well, we don't know if it's villains, it's just a truck being parked up.
Down.
Let me try like that.
Drop your shit, you're gonna die. There's two of you. You down, boy. Down. Down. Come on, empty stuff.
What's going on?
Right, go, grab their stuff.
Grab their weapon.
Fucking heart's pounding, man. Fash at myself. Don't fuck with the ballerinas.
Right, just grab your can, we'll sell shit and let's get going. Oh, fuck. Get in the building, we'll get in the building.
Hands up. Don't move, lay down.
Right.
Ooh, I almost shot you, bud.
Yeah,
Scared me.
I'm glad you didn't. Fuck.
Alright, so you don't have a friend here, buddy.
No, it's just me.
Shut up, but
You don't know this
Robbie,
guy.
what the fuck are you doing?
no, we know him, yeah. I know him, but I'm saying there's a flood guy around here who shot at us. At least we're still not dead,
I almost got shot. I almost died.
Yeah, me and him know, we know each other, yeah, me and him.
Alright, don't turn around and do not pull that gun. Just get out of here and leave. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Well, you know what? I call that a win, Rob. I'm not gonna lie to you, pal.
I think we did.
We got a machine gun, we kept our drugs. I called that a win.
Yeah.